Hi guys, appreciate you tuning in. Please like, subscribe, and share so you can follow all our videos. Still stuck at home due to the heart attack and COVID, but we are going to get a little campfire cooking in tonight. Some pork chops. So we're going to get this fire built up. As you can see, it's been a little difficult to get this one started, but we didn't give up. A little dryer lint. We're going to add some more wood to the fire. Turn you around right here. We're going to get it built up, get us some nice grilling going. It's been raining here for a couple of days, so that's why it was hard to get it started. Even the lighter wood had gotten a little damp. So, but again, we'll bring you back shortly when you get her raging. We're going to let that grill grate burn off a little bit, get us a coal bed going. Anytime you're starting a fire like this, just take it slow and steady. Small sticks on the bottom to help you build the coal bed, and just keep working your way up. Can't beat it. $4.35 for this pack of 2. $4.40 for this pack of 2. Gonna feed the whole family for under 10 bucks for the meat. Tell you, I love pork steak. Almost better than regular steak, but it's gotta be pork steak. Gotta be that dark meat. We'll go inside and wash our hands in a minute. We're gonna get a little seasoning on this. Get it laid up on the grill around the edges. What I usually do, got us a little Miss Dash going on, table blend. And get that on there heavy. Look at that. A little windy today. Ain't helping with the heavy. I like to go ahead and lay them up there, seasoned side down. Get them around the edge, and that's going to let us get over here and get some more seasoning on it. While we're building up that coal bed, you just can't go wrong with that. Get right here with some more seasoning. Like I said, the wind ain't helping us out, but we're gonna build up them coals some more, guys. Just our luck, a spot of rain cloud has moved in. That's all right. We were out in the woods. Still have to make this happen. So we're going to treat home just like the woods. I tell you, this heart attack's put a damper on my outside activities, and it's heartbreaking. So we're going to do the best we can to have a good time, continue to bring you guys great content. Guys, here comes our first flip. Well, maybe not. No, we're not there yet. Doing a little check. Does anybody else cook around the edge like I do and continuously move them around? guys, anytime you're gonna try this, you just got to keep moving them. Now eventually she'll die down. If you think it's getting too hot, just pull her to the outside edge. And depending on which way your wind is shifting, by continuously rotating it, you can grill it out here. No different from it being on constant heat in a frying pan. So plenty of heat left down in there. We always keep some small sticks by in case we need to continuously add them when we get it like this, but most of the time you can stir the coals and get you some more heat going if you need to. We're gonna let those cook for a little while. Some people have been asking me how things are going. It's been about a month since the heart attack. I think a month and maybe 3 or 4 days. Still stuck at home. I've listened to the doctors, trying to abide by the stay-at-home order because of the risk of COVID. Today was the first day I've been out of the house, and actually around anybody. Went into a store today. Tell you, there's a lot of geniuses out there. I saw more people wearing their masks the wrong way than people even wearing masks. So guys, be smart, stay safe while you're out there, and we'll keep cooking on these and we'll bring you back shortly. Well guys, it's about that time. You know, by searing them in first helps tremendously on keeping them from being dry. Got the fine china out here. Get them stacked up on the plate. And we'll carry y'all inside. And we'll cut into them. I'll let mine rest for about 5 minutes, so we'll see you again in a minute. All right, guys, let's cut into this. You see all that juice up there on top? Can almost see the smoke ring. See it right there? Now that's cooking at its finest. Guys, we appreciate y'all tuning in. Please like, subscribe, and share. We'll continue to bring you more videos as time passes. We'll see you on the next one.